We'll guide you through how to deploy your project on Vercel directly from GitHub. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and sign in to your account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up using your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with a big New Project button on the top right. Click that. Now, Vercel will ask you to connect your GitHub repository. You'll see a Connect GitHub button. Click it, and you'll be prompted to authorize Vercel to access your GitHub repositories. Make sure you allow access to the repositories you want to deploy. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Vercel where you can see a list of your GitHub repositories. Choose the repository you want to deploy by clicking Import. Vercel will now show you some options for configuration like framework presets. If your project is using a specific framework like Next.js, Vercel will automatically detect it and set it up for you. If not, you can manually select the right framework or leave it with the default settings. Next, scroll down and click Deploy. You'll see a progress bar as Vercel deploys your project. This might take a few moments. Once the deployment is complete, you'll get a unique Vercel URL where you can see your live site. You can also set up a custom domain if you want. Vercel makes it easy to manage your deployments. You can access your project's settings to customize environment variables, build and development settings, and more. Every time you push changes to the main branch on GitHub, Vercel will automatically redeploy your project. It's a seamless process that integrates well with your GitHub workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.